Hola, buenas, good morning, Asunción. Today we will have an educated guest about atomic radius and density. We have a special guest to help us learn what all these things are. Please welcome scientist Sophia.
Hello, Asuncion. I am super glad to be here.
Great. Now, could you begin by explaining atomic radius?
Yes. Atomic radius is a technical way of saying size. An atom with a bigger atomic radius, like xenon, occupies more space than an atom with a smaller atomic radius, like magnesium.
And how do you know that xenon has a bigger atomic radius than magnesium?
There's an easy way of knowing with the help of the periodic table. If an element is lower down on the periodic table than another, it has a bigger atomic radius.
But what if they are on the same line?
When that happens, the one on the left is always bigger.
Oh, I see. That's easy. But what is it like?
Because going down on the periodic table adds molecules to the atoms, making them bigger. But going to the right makes them smaller because they stick closer together.
We will be back with you. Stay put.
Tylenol. If you have a cold, Tylenol. Much better.
And we are back. Great explanation, Scientist Sophia. Now, could you show us about density?
Yes, I have a few examples to help explain. Here I have two different atoms, krypton and titanium. Both have different densities as well as atomic radii. Can you guess which one is denser?
No.
Okay, maybe I should tell you what density is first. Density is the amount of matter in a set amount of space. The denser something is, the more atoms are packed into it. A handful of whipped cream is less dense than a handful of pebbles.
I get it. So things are denser and are also heavier?
Yes, they are. Can you guess which one is denser?
Titanium, because it's really heavier.
Correct. Metals are usually very dense, but knowing which element is heavier isn't the only way to determine which one is denser. To know an element's density, you can use a super simple formula to figure it out.
But formulas are complicated.
Not really. This formula is very easy. To find the volume of an object, you need to know its weight and its volume. Then you divide the weight by its volume, and that's your density.
So density is just a normal number?
Yes, but with units. If this has a density of 4.3, you would say the density is 4.3 grams per milliliter. So it tells you exactly how much of that object fits in a milliliter.
Okay.
Okay, I get it.
Good. That is all of my lesson.
But wait! What do atomic radius and density have to do with each other?
Well, they are both ways of measuring something. Atomic radius is size, and density is concentration of material. There are many other ways of measuring things, as everyone knows, but these two aren't used every day, even if they are useful.
And that finally concludes with Scientist Sophie's lesson. Thank you, Scientist Sophie. You did a great job.
I know. Bye, Asuncion.
And now to commercials.
What happens in diapers should stay in diapers. New Love's Ultra Leak Guards with heavy-duty blowout protection. Outstanding protection for your little heavy-duty champ.